Okay. Gary from Claremont, Cancer, and Lester Karen from Newport, Cancer.
Okay, Joshua. Nice job. Marshall Wheeler. Becky Mullen on deck behind Marshall. Okay.
Alright, Rusty Grove. And his run at 27.5 seconds. Okay, that was Eric
Okay.
Gary on the
Nice
north.
job. Number 3, 25.5. The best one. Kristen Patton.
Leo Wissard of Linden, Vermont, making the final run of the morning on the chainsaw. Well done, Leo. Again, Leo was the 1999 all-around woodsman champion here.
Hard to find
Way down for
the market, something for everyone. Cart, dog, race poncho, houseware.
all the way to Leo to get the firewood raffle ticket.
Hey, you got a load.
Firewood raffle tickets from Don and Rita Fontaine at the Sullivan County Chapter NHTOA booth at the south side of the ring here. Buy some chances on that logging truckload of firewood. Show your support
What is it?
for
Marshall, is this your
sustainability
team
of the
here?
White Mountain National
Yeah.
Forest. Take a look at the petition
How you doing so far?
at the New Hampshire Timberland
No.
Owners Booth, south side
Did you
of
pull a load
the
yet?
ring here.
Huh?
Take a look at that petition.
You're all done? How old's your team?
Activities going in the White Mountain National Forest.
10 months.
10 months?
15:25 this morning.
What's their names?
Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry.
Leo Lasard is going to be
How you doing so far?
Good, I guess.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is this your team?
It's my brother's.
Your brothers? He let you drive them?
Yeah,
Yeah? Do you like it?
I love it.
How long you been doing it?
I don't know, like 5 years.
Really?
Yeah.
And how you doing so far today?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you're still in, right? So you won. Congratulations.
Thanks.
How's that feel? Is this your first time winning?
No,
No? Have you won before? Yeah. How many blue ribbons do you have?
I don't know.
So are you all done for the day? More? Do you have more?
My dad has one.
Your dad has more?
He'll be fine.
Yeah. So you did a great job out there. Did you ever think you were going to win when you started? No? Well, you did it. So you had 2 teams going? Yeah. How come you withdrew the first team when you did?
Because they're a lot smaller. They're only 6 teams and it was a 10 class.
You figured they'd had enough? Yeah. So you're gonna take this team somewhere else next? Another fair?
Hopkinton.
Hopkinton? Yeah. And where are you from?
Springfield,
Oh, not too far. Yeah. Great. Well, congratulations, Kristen.
Thanks.
How long you been doing this?
About 23 years.
Really? This your team right here?
Yep.
What kind are they?
This one over here is a Cannery Holstein, the other one's a Durham.
So how many fairs do you do each year?
Usually 12, 15.
Really? Get first prize?
No,
Not yet?
not yet. Once in a while I might get lucky and get second or so, but not very often.
So you enjoy it?
Yep.
How many states do you see?
I go to New York, but just for a couple fairs.
Rest
Most of them in New Hampshire.
The rest of New
Vermont.
Hampshire. Yeah. Where are you from?
Well, Woodstock, Vermont.
Not too far. Be doing for a while?
Yeah,
Yeah, you like it?
yeah, it's kind of fun.
How long you been working with oxen?
Probably 2-3 years.
Yeah. And your uncle's teaching you everything?
Yep. Yep.
So are you driving for the pulls or hitching?
I did last year. Today I'm going to be hitching.
Are you?
I got my own little pair of calves at home.
Do you? Yeah. What kind?
Holsteins.
Yeah. How old are they?
They're almost a year old.
Work with them every day?
Just about.
Yeah. Try to, right?
Try to.
Yeah. I know what that's all about. What class is this coming up?
28.
2800?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this your first pull today?
Today, yeah.
Yeah. So you're gonna win this one, right?
No, fat from it.
Well, Bob, he lives right there, but I guess they got a hold in. They got a wrangle in the field, Bob? They don't know. They really don't know, but he was on the ground in the heat, just flopping.
One of his big ones?
No, the one with the one horn. You lost him. You had to shoot him.
Oh, that.
With Mike
Oh, that
Begatis.
Piedmontese thing there?
Yeah.
Who's that? Who's that?
Last week, weren't it, Bob?
Monday night.
Yeah.
Who's that?
That was one of his best ones. Well, that was a good
Got in a fight or
Begatis.
something they did?
Oh, probably that
They got in a fight, and somehow he's only had one horn, and the blood was rolling out of that horn. And it did something in his brain, it was coming out of his ears, and he was laying on the ground just flopping back and forth. So they had the vet, I guess the vet come, and they said, "Let's do away with it. There's no hope for him."
How old is this team here?
Well, they're 13 anyway.
Really? Wow. So they've been pulling for quite a while?
So this is 7th year.
Really? They win a lot?
Well, we're in the top few.
That's good.
We won out to New York, a record state load out there Tuesday.
Yeah. Expect to win tonight? free for all?
I'm not going to win here tonight. I'd like to.
Who do you think's going to win?
Brian Patton, that black pair right there.
Black pair, really?
Yeah.
What's the top load they pulled? This team.
These are pulled.
Yeah,
We're against Brian 20,900.
really.
Up to Johnson last year. The pet was wet, damp, whatever you want to call it.
Hmm.
But, yeah.
Now you say these weigh 57.25?
57.25.
Wow. Well, they're a beautiful team.
I've
Good.
had them since a baby.
Really?
They'll probably outlast me.
Where are you from?
Chelsea, Vermont.
Uh-huh. So you're not too far from home. Do you go very far with them? Do you take them very
We
far?
pull 5 states now.
Really?
We go back out to New York Tuesday and pull out Greenwich.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well, so is this a family operation?
No, this is a Chamberlain show here. That's Bob, the only one.
I've talked to the Chamberlains this morning.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
already filmed me and talked to me.
Yeah.
Quite a celebrity, aren't you?
I don't know a lot, but I can bullshit my way through some of it.
Yeah.
So Ernest, are you pulling tonight?
No, I'm done.
You're done.
Yep.
And your name was
Brian Hayward.
Brian Hayward. Well, good luck to you tonight,
Yeah,
Brian.
thanks.
You gonna win tonight?
No,
No. Who's gonna win?
them right there.
That's what the last people said.
True.
Really? What breed are yours?
Chanina and Swiss cross,
Uh-huh. So how much do they weigh?
around 50.
Around 50? So free for all is your only class then.
Right.
They win often?
No.
No?
Once in a while,
Yeah.
competition ain't too bad.
Good. They're a beautiful team. And say again the breed?
Chanina and Brown Swiss cross.
Chanina?
That's an Italian breed.
Uh-huh.
That's what them over there are, only they cross with a Holstein.
The black team?
Yeah,
So Chanina, huh?
yeah. And it's an Italian breed. Purebred ones are usually white, like right down there.
Okay. Are they Chanina?
Yeah, them are purebred.
Purebred Chanina, huh? And this team over here that you think's going to win, they're crossed with Holstein.
Yeah.
Chanina, Holstein. Is Chanina a real big breed?
Yeah. Milk breed too, I guess.
Uh-huh. And his father was how much?
Over 3,000 pounds.
Wow.
Well, the both of them, they're half brothers. They're out of different cows with the same bull.
Mm-hmm. How you doing? What'd you say your name was?
Brian Patton.
Brian. Brian, everybody's telling me your team's going to win tonight.
Never know. Never know.
So you must have a reputation for winning free-for-alls.
Yeah, they've won some.
And how much does this team weigh?
5,800.
Wow. And this is across Chanina and Holstein?
Yep.
How old are they?
10.
How long you been pulling with them?
Since they're a year.
Wow. How many teams did you bring this today?
My kids and I brought 10.
10 teams? Wow.
Put in, bud. Get in there. Put in. Put in there. Hi there. Hi there. Hi. Yeah, Carl. Put in. Thank you.
Someone told me this is a pair of purebred Chinina.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is your team? Your team? Yeah. How much do they weigh?
About 4,000. About 4,000.
4,000? They gonna win tonight?
I doubt it.
How old are they?
He's 5, he's about 10.
Huh. Beautiful, beautiful team.
Thank you. Sometimes we all looks like
You gotta watch out, Brian. He was ready to hook it right on. He's after you already. Okay, 8 teams still in. The first team to hitch is Brian Patton from West Springfield, New Hampshire. Folks, pick out your favorite team. Once they've made their bull, give them a good hand. We do ask that you're quiet while they're hitched to the boat, but after they've made the bull, feel free to clap and cheer however much you wish. Okay. Gotta have the second entry. All right, sir. Derek Mullen. From West Kennebunk, Maine, owned by Derek Mullen. 6,800 pounds on, Derek driving.
Well, I know her. Well, I don't know her personally.
answer. Bob Norman.
I'm gonna go down.
Number 7 in the lineup, owned by Bob Norman, Charlestown, New Hampshire. KNS West Cross, Bob Norman driving, 6,800 pounds on the boat.
Walk in, he's on my couch, all covered up. What do you call it? I was standing up on the phone.
And then he stubbed his toe and fell down and skipped. He's lying on the
Did it? Really? Well, don't you? Huh?
Oh, come on. I do that anyway. What are you little living to do? I'll drop my gear off. We'll have a party. You want to have a party? Always cool then.
Yeah, I did. Go ahead. What the hell is that? Somebody gets hit all the time. I thought it was young. Oh, no longer, yeah.
Very nice. Mike Margalis.
That's why I say, watch this. I'm going to see if it's good.
The Mike Margalis, Lethbridge, Vermont, 8,600 pounds on. Mike Margalis driving.
Excuse me, I don't think so. Jeez. Well, yeah, when you look, it's open. Your nose is open.
When you take the camera, well, I would have liked a couple.
Nice drive. Eric Mullen.
Come on,